you ready to see what Santa Claus brought you? Look, Luke. Luke.
Look, you got all kinds of presents.
Look, Santa Claus brought you gifts. Luke.
Big Santa bag.
Look. What's in there? What's in there? What you got? Santa Claus bought you lots of stuff. Look.
Oh, look, you got a ball.
Uh-oh.
Look, look.
Uh-oh. Look. What's that? What's that? You like the ball? Yay! Yay! What's it do? Look what else is in here. Look. Look. Luke. Luke. Cat toys! Yay!
Toys you can play in the bath.
What you got? Look. Luke. Luke.
Oh, look at that.
Look at Elmo.
Elmo.
Yay!
You got Elmo.
Even look at it. Look, Elmo. See Elmo? You don't want it? I don't care. I don't care. No. He doesn't do anything, Daddy. Nothing wrong with Elmo.
He doesn't do nothing.
No, he's just a teddy bear. You see Elmo? You want me to take him out? He doesn't do nothing. Take him out. What all have you got? Daddy's gonna have to get that out. Here we go.
What else has he got? He got a little rattle. Got soccer balls on it.
Can I get it out? They make them like too hard. Yes, they do. What is that? Let me get it out for you. Hold on. Just a minute, I'm patient. Just a minute. Can I have a kiss? Luke, give me a kiss. Look at here. Look what Mommy's got. Look.
Look at that.
Yay. What else we got? What else we got? Got some balls.
Oh, look, got some balls.
Look. Get it open. Look. What do you got?
Some nice balls there. I'm play all day long.
thing in here.
Oh, look at that. Look.
Oh, boy. Luke's cell phone.
You got a cell phone.
We should have opened all this first. Yes, we should have. Get the baby could play. Then he could play.
Yeah.
Yay!
Look at Luke. Look at Luke.
Mm.
Show the camera your cell phone.
Mm.
I'm about to shut it off. Show the camera your cell phone. Or Luke's cell phone. Look at that. Look at that. Say bye-bye. Say it's my first Christmas.